Hey guys, you good? I'm good. You straight? I'm straight. All right, bet. So today for you guys, I'm gonna do 5 different styles you can do with your box braids. So these are my, in case anybody doesn't know, which nobody knows me, so it don't matter. But this is the first time in my adult life that I have braids. For real, I'm not even lying. Like, I do faux locks, I've done crochet locks on myself. I've done, I made plenty of wigs in my day, plenty. I've even tried to do sew-ins myself. Like, I've always kind of been interested in hair, but I never have had box braids. These are my first set. And honestly, now that they're finally getting old, I finally like them. I hated them because my head, the circumference is, as soon as I get them done, like, they're so fresh, it just looks like my head just looks huge. Like, I finally kind of start to like them, and I'm playing with them now, and it doesn't hurt as much when I try to put them up because, girl, I'm not even tender-headed. And I was like, oh, it felt like each thought that I ever had in life was just getting extracted into these brains, like, beep, beep. So I'm gonna show you guys 5 styles I can do. So of course this kind of counts, but not really, but kind of, but whatever. So the first style I'm gonna do for you guys are gonna be space buns.
So this style is super easy, obviously, and I don't know why I never thought about doing these with braids. Y'all remember that Cleopatra coming at you? You remember them? This is what this reminded me of, though. But I like these, especially since it's festival time. I ain't got no Coachella money, but I got some brown sugar and some honey. Hey, hey, hey. And you can also go ahead and put these down low depending on your style. I like them up high personally.
Okay, the second one I'm going to do for you guys is a half up, half down top knot.
This is the one I've been wearing to work most often. And of course, I love my bangs in the front. But every now and then I gotta give my eye a break and smush that down. So you can also take those pieces and just wrap them around.
Next time I'm gonna do for you guys is what I basically have been wearing for the past 2 weeks before it was really comfortable for me to cut up my hair.
This one is super elegant to me. I actually wore this to a ball that I went to a few weeks ago. And I actually went with the deep side parts. Super simple.
Now the next style is for someone with a smaller forehead than me, but this is just to give you guys ideas. These are not styles that have never been done before, because y'all knew better. It's YouTube. Everything done been done before.
Yeah, I joke about my forehead, but I know I'm still fine. So don't feel bad for me. And I will still wear this hairstyle. Rihanna said I could.
So the next style is my absolute favorite. This one is the double ponytail, and I think that it looks beautiful.
So I'm going to talk a little bit more on this one. So literally, y'all, I gave y'all, this is not 5 looks. This is like 8, because this ponytail can be done so many different ways. So just as a disclaimer, the thicker you make that first ponytail, the better off you'll be. You don't want the thicker half on the bottom, because you'll see in a second, you don't want that ponytail to show through the top one, if that makes sense. You'll end up with a hump. So what you'll do is you'll take a braid closest to your ponytail, see I'm digging all the way there, and wrap it around that way. You don't want to take one that's way in the front, or else you're going to end up having humps. And you just wrap that baby around. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. No. Hey, I can start freestyling this beat, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, anyway, so then you take those 2 pieces that are like right above your ear. You could leave them like that. I really would, to be honest with you. because I'm weird like that. And then you take a bobby pin, get all that dandruff and gel out the way, and then you just wrap that around the back of the ponytail, the first ponytail, and bobby pin it back there. Same thing, crisscross. And then you can put your jewels right there. Yeah, put your jewels on your ponytail. Hey, hey, yeah, get it now. Hoo! I'm just playing. All right, that's it.
I hope you guys enjoy these really cool, simple looks that you could do if you're running out of ideas from the ideas you've already had for your box braids, or if you're tired of them and they're kind of getting old, or if you're like me and you finally can move them around without losing brain cells and having pieces of brain matter ooze out your pores. That was graphic and unnecessary. Thanks for watching my channel. Come back, okay? Bye.